Hi Dressing Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a baby unicorn. So let's get started. To draw this super cute unicorn, let's first start by drawing its face. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to start to draw basically a bottom U, but the top part is going to be a little bit more narrow. So let's come out with an angle and we're going to start to round it off. So same thing right across, so say about right here. Just a little bit narrower at the top. And then we're going to go ahead and connect it with a curve at the bottom. Nice and round. Now that we have this shape in, let's go ahead and draw the eyes. So I'm going to come right next to where we started, come in a little bit and say about right here. Go ahead and draw a big circle. And come right across and do the same thing on the other side. So about right here. There. Now let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Okay, so now that we have the eyes in, let's come over here. Before I forget, I'm just going to draw a soft curve over this eye. Make this a little bit wider now that I'm looking at it. Okay, so then from there, I'm not going to draw one over here because there's the mane is right over that eye. So let's come back about right here. I'll just give myself a point all the way across. About right here, and this is where I'm going to very lightly just draw a curve all the way across just to separate the snout area. So now I'm come to the center, come right back down. There, now we separated. Then let's come in this area right here, and I'm going to draw two little ovals for some nostrils. There. Now that we have that in, let's go ahead and bring this up. So we're going to continue the top of the unicorn's head now. So say about that much. And then I'm going to come right here and stop and pop out an ear. Come up, round off the corner. The tip I mean, and come down. So we're still imagining as if this head is all the way going about right there. From there I'm stopping right here and I'm going to bring down a big curve that's going to sweep right over the eye. So let's bring this down right over the eye. And it goes right back up. There, very fancy unicorn. And whatever space I have left, I'll just go ahead and finish that. And then let's come to the center. So say about right here, I'll give myself a point and I'm going to draw a curve. So this is going to be the bottom of our horn. Then once again, go up all the way, say about right here. Round off my tip and then I'm going to go ahead and connect right back down. And for some details, I'm just going to come in here and just draw some curves to give our horn some dimension. There. Now that we have that, and let's continue this curve. So going up, and so about right here, just imagine that. We're going to go up And let's continue this over, and we're just going to finish this strand right here and curve it up. Go a little bit fuller. There. So cute, right? So then let's come back over here, and we're just going to draw 2 curves. Just indication that there's some more going on over here for the mane. And then, oh, the other ear. So let's come about right here, just like the other side. Let's say about right here, just pop it out. Just a little indication of the other ear. And let's draw the inside of this ear. And connect. Now that we've drawn the head, let's go ahead and work on the body. So the body is very much simplified. So I'm going to come about right here, right underneath the eye. And same thing, nice and centered, so about right here. And I'm going to draw the body. So we're going to come down with a slight curve on both sides. Now that we have that framed in, before I finish that, I'm going to come back into the center area to draw the front legs. So I'll come down, okay, find your center, come down, say about right here, and I'll give myself 2 little points right in the center. From there is where I'm going to start the front legs, and I'm just going to draw in a slight angle line coming down right in the center. Then from there, I'm going to come out, so say about right here. Now that I know this is where the body is, come about right here, draw another angle line to create the legs. So I'll bring it down a little bit more. About right there. Go ahead and connect with a curve, and same thing here. And I'll come in here and draw another curve for the hoof, and then in between, whatever space you have left, just go ahead and draw a soft curve. Then next to your legs, let's go ahead and draw a circle for the back hooves. So right about here, go ahead and draw a big circle or oval, doesn't really matter. So something like that. And same thing over here, so right next to it. There, got these 2 circles in, and then in between, whatever space you have left, just draw a little curve. And then from here, we can go ahead and connect. So we're going to come down, give it a little dip, and out. So same thing here, give it a little dip, and then flare it out a little bit towards the circle. So hopefully that looks like the feet's kind of coming out. That's our goal. And let's see here. I'll just bring this up a little bit higher. Now that we're done with the body, let's go ahead and draw the tail. So I'll say about right here. I'm going to make it very big and long. So let's say about right here. And why not, right? And we're just going to bring it up. Give it a little rounded off tip, and then bring it right back in. That way we can add a lot of color. There, nice and round. Kind of silly, right? It's so big, but I just thought it'd be really cute to make it extra big. And so let's come in here. Now we're just going to draw some details. And I'm just going to come in here and just draw a bunch of curves to finish this tail off with different strands so we can add color to it. Maybe I went a little too big, too poofy. Okay, there. And then for the mane as well, let's come about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and fill it in with a bunch of strands. However you like. And the last thing we need to add, of course, is a heart. So I'll put it right here to make it my Draw So Cute baby unicorn. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this baby unicorn turned out and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.